Customizing your Wix mobile website. Well, since I don't want you to having a struggle when using this as your guide, I will just explain it to you some step or what you can do to customize your Wix website. Without further ado, let's start. Customizing your Wix website for mobile devices is essential for a responsive and user-friendly experience. Wix provides a mobile editor that allows you to make adjustments specifically for mobile views without affecting the desktop version. Since I told earlier I don't want you to having a struggle cause of a small details in the video, here are some help that I hope help you in some ways. Access the mobile editor. To do this, open your Wix editor, then click on the mobile icon at the top of the editor to switch to the mobile view. That's the first one. The second one is adjust layout and content. It included the rearrange elements. To do that, drag and drop elements to optimize their placement for smaller screens. Next is hide elements. If certain elements are unnecessary on mobile, you can hide them by selecting the element and clicking hide on mobile. Next is resize elements. You can adjust the size of images, text, buttons, and other elements to fit the mobile screen better. The number 3 is customize fonts and colors. You could modify text size and font styles to ensure readability on smaller screens. These customizations let you create a mobile-friendly website while keeping the desktop version intact. Just by exploring on your Wix websites, I know for sure you will also learn it on how to customize it and more. But then, after you are done customizing, you can just tap the Publish button on the top right corner of the screen in order to apply your changes to your Wix website. And that's all of it from me. Sorry for the struggle that it may cause you while watching, but I hope I did help you in some other way. But that's it for me. Thank you.